Hello, this is my rendition of You Don't Own Me by Leslie Gore. I hope you like it. You don't own me. I am not one of your many toys. You don't own me. Don't say I can't go out with other guys. Don't own me. Don't try to change me in any way, 'cause you don't own me. Don't tie me down, 'cause I never stay. I don't tell you what to do, I don't tell you what to say. Just let me be myself. That's all I want of you. I'm really young, I don't wanna be young, but I'm free, and I want to stay free, to live my life the way that I want, to say and do whatever I please. And don't tell me what to do, don't tell me what to say. And please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display. I don't tell you what to do, 'cause I don't tell you what to say. So just let me be myself.